Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan, and today we are going to hide checkbox with label using JavaScript in website. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is a checkbox and this is a label. So we are going to hide it, and you can use custom code in WordPress, PHP or HTML website. Now go to dashboard. On left side you see plugin, so click on add new plugin. So we are going to add custom code. Then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code. Insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it, and then you see add your custom code, so again click on it, and then you see select the code type. So we are going to add JavaScript code. Now select, and then you see create custom snippet section open. So you can add title A, then you see code preview. Now paste code, and you can use this code in both WordPress, PHP or HTML website. And then you see document.getElementById. So this is our checkbox ID. Now go to page, right click on it, and then click on inspect element. So we are going to find out ID, and we are going to use this ID in custom code. Now you see ID HB-X room. Now copy back to code. Now paste here. So you can add your checkbox ID, and then you see we are going to hide label also. Now you see 4. Now go to page again. Now you see label, taxi service, inspect, and then you see label 4, taxi service. Now copy label 4. So you can add your label 4 in custom code. Now copy back to custom code. Now paste here. So you can add your checkbox ID here, and then you can add checkbox label here. And then scroll down, you see insert method, auto insert location, site wide header. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. So you can use this code in WordPress, PHP or HTML website. Just add checkbox ID and label. Now you see snippet created and saved. Go to room page again, refresh the page. So we are in room page. And then you see checkbox hide with label on pop-up by using this custom code. So this is our JavaScript code. So you can add your checkbox ID here, and then you can add your label here. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.